towards the end of the month, guys. The market was challenging, but we managed very decent profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market and help my traders to squeeze very decent profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Alright, so if you look at the Euro USD chart and if you look at the 4-hour chart, so we had a long, or bias was long, so we had a long this morning, and the target was around this level. You can see here previously price respected, so price nicely hit, and afterwards, after banking some profit, we also had a counter short trade. Once we see the price respected, you can see here price refused to stay above this level. We also had a counter short trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entries and exit and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Right, so pretty straightforward. If you look at here, as mentioned, our bias was long on Euro USD, and if you look at here, this was the analysis. Yeah, that's the analysis this morning, London morning session. That was the pretty straightforward. As soon as the price broken, beautiful long trade. As soon as the price hit, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, we look at the price action very carefully. You can see here the price refused to stay above the previous high. You can see here, and that's what I explained my trader, if the price is going to respect this fib channel, if you can see here green fib channel, or if the price going to break, then long, otherwise short trade here. So more likely we were expecting a short because the target was nicely hit. So based off that, you can see here price nicely broken even after the breakout, price retest. So we had another counter short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, that's explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, so let's move into the cable. Pound dollar, we had amazing trades, guys. Pound dollar, we had a long trade here. We were expecting another one more push based on the 4-hour analysis. As you can see here, previously price respected, we have this impulsive and we have this correction. After that, we also had this trade here. Afterwards, we also had a counter short trade here. So we look at the 4-hour chart, and based on that, we also had a counter short trade, because if you look at here, the price need develop another double bottom here. So let me explain to you how I analyze the entries and exit and help my traders to squeeze very decent profit on pound dollar. That was a pretty straightforward. So if you look at here this morning, so that was a pretty straightforward. This morning we had a beautiful breakout opportunity. That was the long trade here, as you can see here. After banking, as soon as the price hit to the previous high, we banked some profit. After banking some profit, we were expecting here another pullback, as mentioned here in the analysis. But as you know, the price at the major resistance level, price nicely hit. So we're also expecting there's a possibility of short, but that's what I explained my trader. Look for if the price gonna break this level, previous low. So we have a breakout, aggressive, and also safer trade, short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here, price did not develop any pullback. But after the breakout, price also developed a full, pullback. That's beautiful short trade here. Afterwards, banking some profit. As explained to my trader, we updated that analysis instantly. We have another beautiful breakout. We're just helping our trader not to miss any opportunity. We have another short trade, bank amazing profit. And afterwards, as soon as the price reverse, that's what I explained. If the price gonna break this previous high, then long here, or if the price gonna break this level, then short trade here. As you can see here, price refused to break above the previous high. Beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we also had a pullback short trade here. Price again hit to the previous level. That's what I explained my trader, it's time to tighten your stop loss or bank few PPs. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys. We were biased for short on dollar CAD, bank amazing profit. As you can see here, based on the 4-hour, once the price break the major structure, you can see here previous low. So we had such a nice beautiful short trade here this morning. We're also expecting here another pullback, which price nicely developed pullback. We had a short trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entry. That was a beautiful trade, guys. If you look at the dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. That was the Asian session. As explained, my trader, look for pullback. After banking, you can see a beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank some profit. After banking some profit at the New York session, again, we were expecting here another pullback based on this analysis. You can see here the price nicely developed another pullback. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, as explained, my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but you can enjoy more if you watch those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. If you're still struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with a live market and also opportunities to get funded. For more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, join our fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.